Here's a beautiful view right here. Whose island is that, I wonder? Salt in your eyes. Those are giraffes. A rigatoni. There we go, baby. Having a Giler. For a moment there, I thought it was the 100 sub one. Thanks for the $8.99 biddies, Nicolazan. What's up, Gex? Yes, I am talking to Twitch chat, Kick chat, YouTube chat. Not too much YouTube, though. Mostly Twitch and Kick. Cash me out. Why? My mama said. Isn't that what my hair follicles are for? Wow. Japanese Epstein Island.
Mission cameras.
Wow. Whoops. Whoops. That's actually a good point. Whoops. So you can rock this bridge. It's called the Rainbow Bridge Promenade. And there's nothing homosexual about it. But there you go. Diver. Hope you enjoy. See you live. Peace, peace.